Director, drop the video.
Okay, imagine say, yeah, Joe Mammy to emergency. Now you say for 4,000, 3,000 brands, and you show mommy. Now we date broke guy, now broke guy, who could be satisfied so Libya. And that's what mammy no said, you'll be near woo.
One na wage our bob bra, Kasabi one na. I repeat, one na. And I will mammy or Yalma when you common 3,000 CDs.
Yes.
I want to say a nibi. Because a jobless, what source of revenue yeah. What boyfriend, and I said, Sebi, who very giant to the na.
Maybe I am kind of say, Charlie, your generation, a man or my, yeah, on namely, on my any different, Charlie, and why Baku say because so this kind of could show up, there, boy, my dear.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
Ebusiafo, welcome to the house. We're from DJ Parkour Rich. I had me a Parkour Rich
Studios.
Yeah, man. Nyaman Kutina Mohammed, my brother, where we here.
Yeah, man.
The name is
PKB. PKB. Original.
Yo, so there is a particular video be all the trend was social media. Now, video, no, honestly, wama boys, we drop. People vex.
Yeah, we vex.
Because in some again, I can, I'm a fucking things.
Yes.
It's boys, so they to me about platform you do now. You communicate on behalf of the
Brotherhood.
Where mama can.
Yeah.
And see PKB. Video now. You see the video.
Yeah, I watched the video.
But let's share the video with the audience.
Yes.
Yo, director, drop the video.
Okay, imagine say, yeah, Joe Mammy to emergency. Now you say for 4,000, 3,000 brands, and you show mommy. Now we date broke guy, now broke guy, who could be satisfied so Libya. And that's what mammy no said, you'll be near woo. Imagine say, who sisters or siblings will be a contributed 3,000. Now you say for the brand, now we date broke guy. At least, be more age, Kakraban and Stem. Sad to be the baby, no, yana no more time, oh. At least, who did be at least, or to me support so, kakra. Now they are cry sad ye. Make our brother guys see. I must want to ask you.
PKB.
I say.
Get a seminar can at then. How you hear him?
Charlie, she didn't make at the vex because you know why she didn't make the statement with the out there say a lot of fine girls no get sense. No, she did actually make that statement come to bear or come to fruition.
Like
Nyansa bien because they are all they are two social media so all can say mean say clout no show say a dear pot no pay but I mean how can you come out and say if you are dating a broke guy and your mother is sick wo mama no onya wale you know wo mama na yale your only responsibility no and your only responsibility. So in the first place, why should a lady have this sort of mindset or think this way? And I can say, Charlie, your generation, a man or mindset any different. Charlie, and why Baku say because so this kind of could show up there, boy. Low grade cry, I say.
Well, Zaman someone saying that you see mostly videos be damana. In yet sabi scaffold where did they talk these things? It be in here for one man our front. I'm no donko. You understand? Because honestly, sabi. One na wage our bob bra. Kasabi one na. I repeat one na. And I will mammy or Yalma when you common 3,000 CDs.
Yes.
I want to say a nibi. Because a jobless, what source of revenue yeah. What boyfriend, and I said Sebi. Who very giant to the na? That is your only source of revenue. Inti, obina ba brand tia sabi all about brand. No either or cough out 3,000 Ghana cedis before the life of your mother can be saved. And I sabi ta fresh if you busunya bodam fum. You understand?
I don't know, like
what brother or busum no about brand or boy? What's your brother? What brother? Your senior brother now. Or if your brother cannot cough out 3,000 CDs to save one kasa wana about an life. Then who bread on your useless. I say, Wedja, kwa beye den. On tomb. On first come back, no one face save a wife. I okajina chapel them, no care for better for worse. When two men fence save a life, then Wedja kwa beye then obey we ask beye then. You see, sometimes I want to believe that me a chawi our friend bonnet so sabadan. Washa nyanse bien him. Nyanse bien him, and it's about time I will make that statement that going into a relationship and then get source of employment.
Yes.
A pedruma ya and this guy I was an aquato NY by the friend then Basantalio sabadan.
Malik Basantal.
Corner and China one pedruma one mouth.
Youth employment.
Yes. No be say you for come look for work or somebody in san not me no kwane there. Sabi. What tabeza man morning denti?
Say broke guy.
Or you broke guy.
No guy be broke. Oh. No. Charlie, some way.
Well,
that tax they for stop the user. Say
yeah,
broke guy. Broke guy.
Because
so there's no broke girl. Broke girl.
No. Chedenwa say besia bisa wuskane nye bia mana. Or expect that I would the man you should feel embarrassed today. You know get some give am.
Yeah.
But on anka so hienyi na sabi onyi bi na ona na wa da na beggar na osesren.
Huh?
On feel bad of themselves.
Debbie.
Into moment be you feel less of themselves. But sabi sembe you fu ye adwuma ye. Okay, ya no eziban. Men, the work we they do no. If it just be only us what we go chopper. Like no man will be ever tagged as a broke man.
For you. But because it is share with woman, they give woman song.
Now, so is car. When a man they make money, you don't think about in wife then in kiddies.
Ask yourself about a woman.
But seniors can already drain in here or the best shanity. If you saw what Tinankasa Wewu, the head is dead. For a reason. But they go by wig put on that head.
Imagine.
It's why I'm calling Matsina.
Yeah.
And boys are going under pressure. Boys, they do works, they don't go feed do.
What if we not do say nigga man for good do?
Just because pick a crop a pinty. And you see, the annoying thing that women should understand in there. Sex now, what's the clickbait nowadays? It's something that we both enjoy.
Yeah.
Sometimes the women even enjoy.
More than us.
Because they say your orgasm or the big case.
Yes, problem.
But then at the end of the day, no, sex no when you no orgasm no. Or the bear tool there because of sex no that money. If you cannot pay any man bill, you're a broke person. Charlie, Ghana being for trial.
Yeah.
Men they try.
Wallahi.
Oba tuma tsena wa catch be say de e benyin betuma wa hwoba na nyima wa ye dwuma na salary more than 75% of them besia. You won't go renter. At the bed na to be na bado. You go wear attire at the bed na to be na bado. Sabi obi to me bisa indomie na pad in his
Charlie.
The other day gave me birthday awesome top blender man and Farad's and Farad Ebe, yen trouble, ya pemasamo.
Yeah.
We dey check you guys so you dey make the world so sweet for us.
Yeah.
But please, when you make your money, enjoy some on your own. Ekaka, besi any skirts and ankases on yanide unless you spend the money of a man where you go be
Charlie.
What be that? And you see,
crazy.
It all starts from home. Because what's it say? Ekwa awareness nyaza fabra wo family. But ekwa kawa fat na wuku ni fie. Such a stupid mentality. Mama kwa aware bia ase na meti na obi to na orekada mo kwasi asamana. Mo sorry na ma oppose. Because men deserve to be pampered.
Yeah, it deserve better too.
Yeah, try him on not to come on the internet and say silly things like broke guys.
Broke guys. Hey. Broke guys.
Respect to Messi. I feel like when you're hard working out, they force, they do, they support other guys. But dama, mini slay queens yeah. When you want she yeah. Sorry, I will throw be broke queens. Into PKB based on that, and I want to advocate for a policy that men right now, if you go into relationship, make sure you demand bank statements.
Yeah.
Say your benina sisi and your baby boko and penetri man another
demand for bank.
So that what catch visa what your bank statement, general bank statement.
Not sure.
At least minimum of 20 to 10,000 a day.
You should have
a normal girl who is ready for a relationship should have that money
in your account. If you don't have,
and it shouldn't be a static deal.
No.
Or printing statements and why can't you be 20,000? Was about to because of a no date. It should be a running account for 6 months.
Yeah.
So that we know that a wanyansa what's the bobra what's the pesca. Some of you struggle to even save 5,000 cedis because when no me you would down.
They'll be online be not talk.
Had to go down to their bottle and you go to their rooms, they have shoes that they don't even wear.
Chale. For beautification.
In our to wardrobe, I wasn't publishing. And even that, the shoes in our Ogu shoe racks in Minnesota, one share. You, this guy watching me, you know that shoe that you bought, and I shall not pay.
Once.
Just once. So when you ask a guy to buy you a shoe, and also on Shannon one, net tagging do you broke guy. When you ya heart, sister, when you oh ya your face it be very light. When you drew. So this Arabe your academy fucking CC. You catch under the brotherhood. We vex him.
We vex him big time.
We vex him.
We vex him.
PKB.
Yeah, man.
In the weekend.
You're forgetting.
You're
on your
dog
and there's nothing like a broke guy.
No.
My guy, you are not broke. Don't let any girl lie to you that you are broke. You are working hard for yourself. And keep working hard. One day, you will get there.
Man, pamper yourself. Sometimes go out on a vacation.
Yeah. Before even start look for women to get money too.
Yeah.
So we too.
But you know, so
we go do okay.
Sometimes women Charlie boys your option or them are most more vibrators. You will Nivea criminal.
Vaseline.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.